3 local SEO tips for small businesses. In this video, we'll share 3 simple and effective local SEO tips that small businesses can implement to enhance their online visibility and attract more customers, even without technical expertise. Number 1. Hyper-local content creation. Focus on creating content that specifically targets the community or area your business serves. This can include blog posts about local events, participating in local podcasts, or collaborating with nearby businesses for joint promotions. Number 2. Get listed on local directories. Make sure your business is listed on relevant local directories and business listing websites, such as Yelp, Foursquare, and your local Chamber of Commerce website. These listings will not only help potential customers find you, but also provide valuable backlinks that can improve your local search rankings. Number 3. Encourage customer reviews. Positive online reviews can boost your business's credibility and local search rankings. Actively encourage your customers to leave reviews on platforms like Google, My Business, Facebook, and Yelp. Respond to all reviews, both positive and negative, to show your commitment to customer satisfaction. In the digital age, local SEO is a game changer for small businesses. So, start today and see how local SEO can help your business reach new heights.